In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product on Whop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a polished, trustworthy product page that's ready to sell. First, open a new browser window and search for Whop. You can use any browser you like. In the results, look for the official Whop website and click through. You should land on the home page where you can access your account. Go ahead and log in. Use the same credentials you normally use so you can access your seller tools without any delays. Once you're in, head straight to your dashboard. This is your main control center where you'll manage products, pricing, and your storefront. From the dashboard, find Products in the left-hand menu. Click that, then look to the top right and choose Create Product. This opens a guided setup that keeps everything organized and easy to follow. Start by selecting your product type. Pick the option that best fits what you offer, whether that's software, a paid group or community, a newsletter, coaching, events, courses, or something similar. Choosing the right type helps Whop set up the right access and checkout flow for your customers. Next, choose a category. Select the industry or niche that best describes your product, such as AI, fitness, or gaming. Categories help the right audience find you and set expectations about what you deliver. Now add the core details. Give your product a clear, memorable name. Write a compelling headline that highlights your main benefit in one short sentence. In your description, explain what the product is, who it's for, and the results people can expect. Keep it benefit-focused and easy to scan. Upload eye-catching media, high-resolution images, or a short video that shows the product in action. Clean visuals build trust and improve conversions. Set up your pricing. You can choose one-time payments, recurring subscriptions, free trials, or an initial fee. Use a one-time price for standalone products or subscriptions for ongoing value like communities or software. A short free trial can reduce friction, while an initial fee can help cover onboarding costs. Keep your pricing simple and transparent. Enhance your page with FAQs, a clear list of benefits, and your social links. FAQs should address common objections and explain access, refunds, and support. Benefits should be specific and outcome-driven. Social links add credibility and encourage people to learn more about you. When everything looks good, click Save and publish your product. Give your page a quick read for clarity, then confirm. Your product is now live and ready for customers, and you can always come back to refine details as you learn what resonates.